Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss tenses, the chapter in our grammar book, chapter number 7, that is tenses. There are three tenses in English, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Before starting the types of tenses, first we should know what is tense. Tense tells us about the time of an action, when the action is carried out, when the action is past or will be carried out. Okay, is for present, was for past and will is for future. Okay, so let's start the class, that is tenses. Tenses are of three kinds, or we can call three types. They are present, past and future. Okay, present tense, past tense and future tense. Now let's start with the first one, that is present tense. There are four forms of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, so first kind is present tense. Its first form is simple present. The first question that came in our mind is, when do we use this tense, that is simple present? So when we are using this simple present, when we talk about any habitual action or our habit we can call, that time we are using this simple present. For example, I play badminton. Okay, this is my habit of playing badminton. So for expressing habitual action, we are using this simple present. Okay, or when we talk about any general truth or facts. Okay, if we talk about any general truth or facts, that time also we have to use this tense simple present. For example, if we are talking about general truths or facts, example is the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, the earth revolves around the sun. This is a general truth that cannot be changed. We cannot express this sentence in the past or in the future. It remains as it is. That cannot be changed. It is general truth. Okay, so the earth revolves around the sun, or the sun rises in the east. Like that, sentences are the sentences of general truth that cannot be changed, that we cannot write in the past or in the future. Okay, so for expressing the general truths or facts, we have to use the tense which is simple present. Okay, now next is the structure of simple present. How to form a sentence of simple present. Okay, so for forming the sentence of simple present, first we should know its structure. Its structure is subject plus first form of the verb. First form of the verb. With first form of the verb, SES will be there in some cases. Okay, subject plus first form of the verb with S or ES. Now the question arises, when do we use this S or ES with verb? Okay, so as you know that there are three persons in English, that is first person, second person and third person. Okay, first person is I, we, second person is you, and third person is he, she, it or they. These are singular and these are plural. First person I, singular, plural we. Second person singular you, plural you. Third person he, she, it and plural they. Okay, so the question is, when do we use this S or ES with verb? We are using this S or ES with verb with first person or first person, second and third. In these persons, we are using this S or ES with third person singular. Okay, third person singular is he, she, it. With he, she or it, we are using S or ES, or if a name of a one person, one thing or one animal, that should be one only. Okay, with he, she or it, that is third person singular, and with the name of any person, any animal or anything. Okay, for that one, with that one we are using this S or ES with verb. With the example, it is clearly understood. That is, subject we are using I, we, you, he, she, it or they. Okay, all these are subject. Subject means about whom we are talking about. Okay, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसको सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. I, we, you, he, she, it, they or any name. Maybe it is the name of a person, animal or thing. Okay, so subject, any subject we can choose. For example, I choose I. Verb first form is eat. Mango. Example, I eat mango. This is an example of simple present. Okay, but here only verb first form we have to write. That is why we have written eat here. Okay, why? Because here subject is I. If subject is he, then this will be eats. He eats mango. Okay, why we put here S with eat? Because he is third person singular. With third person singular, always we have to add S or ES with the verb. Okay, other than this we can take other examples also. For example, Reena makes a picture. Okay, Reena makes a picture. So here Reena is the name of a girl, means Reena is third person singular. Then verb first form, that is make, and we put here makes. Why? Because Reena is third person singular. Reena makes a picture. If we put in place of Reena, we here. Okay, and we have to write the same sentence. So here the sentence will be, we make a picture. Okay, because here subject is we. That is why verb will be make as it is. Okay, so this is simple present tense. It's very simple. When we are using this simple present, when we talk about any habitual action or general truth or facts, we are using this tense, that is simple present. Its structure is subject plus first form of the verb with S or ES. S or ES we have to put with verb in some of the cases only when the subject will be third person singular, that is he, she, it, or name of any one person, one thing, or one animal. If plural will be there, there will be no S or ES with the verb except I or you also. Okay, you also comes in the category of singular also, plural also, and first person singular is I, but we have to use this S or ES with third person singular only. Okay, so remember that. So today we have revised the simple present of present tense. Okay, in our next video we will continue with the second one, that is present continuous. That's it. Thank you.